Hi there guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your Funpay listings to G2G in just one click. Firstly, open the Funpay website. As you can see, there are tons of listings here, specifically for the game World of Warcraft. Go ahead and open any listing you like. See, I've opened this one, and it has all the complete details, including images. Now, simply copy this listing URL and paste this URL into listing file. Remember, you can actually add more than one URL if you want to upload multiple listings. Let's run the script. The script is extracting all the details from the Funpay URL. Next, it uploads the listing images to Imgur to get clean image URLs. See, it's done. Now the script is moving over to G2G. You'll need to log in to your G2G account just this one time. After this initial login, now it's automatically filling all the listing details one by one. It's complete. Here is one more feature is that it will also keep checking the Funpay listing. If the listing gets removed from Funpay for any reason, our software will automatically remove it from G2G as well. So that's the entire process. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel